In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Firstly, you can go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To turn it off, tap on it until it's gray. If you wish to, you can also go into Devices Settings. Scroll down to click on Location section and manage it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!